The HBH1S 8KW diesel heater is designed to deliver efficient and consistent warmth, making it ideal for spaces up to 256 square feet. With a remarkable 18% boost in burning efficiency, this heater ensures rapid heat delivery reaching 50 degrees Celsius in just 3 minutes. The heater offers versatile control options, including Bluetooth, remote, and LCD panel, along with a smart app for precise management of temperature and other settings. Its smart dual altitude mode allows seamless operation at altitudes as high as 16,400 feet, optimizing performance for off-road and high-altitude adventures. An extension cable allows indoor installation of the control panel, enhancing convenience while reducing fuel consumption and improving energy efficiency. Safety is paramount with this heater, featuring protections against overheating, short-circuiting, and reverse connections, ensuring reliable operation in any environment.